Hi, I'm Patrick Reed from the Adamas Principle. Very much more of the same last week, as dollar index and risk moves had no real follow through. We just see this to continue. Vol is really low. It remains at historical lows, especially euro dollar, from all our indicators. This is why the current market is a fader's paradise. I mean, certainly with dollar moves last week and risk moves, especially with yen pairs, when you think it's going to break and going to trend, and just when you think you can stick your teeth into something, it just fades off and reverses. So this is just going to continue until there's a brand new narrative. So the first slide, Aussie dollar. So all was looking pretty good. But we just couldn't get above 72, the figure. This is partly due to talk of a reduced stimulus in China, but also, it is Easter and it's very thin, proving to be too much, 72, the figure, and we're now grinding lower. So we're going through that 71.35, but all is not lost. I mean, it's not tanking. There's some data this week, and a little bit of risk off. Obviously, the weekend had the Reuters story coming out with the waiver on oil with Iran. But the second slide, dollar CAD, that brings me nicely actually to dollar CAD. CAD getting a lift, as I just previously mentioned on the recent story. Trump will end all waivers on the importation of the Iranian oil. Crude really getting a lift from that. Dollar CAD hasn't really tanked though, so obviously this could be even more this week. But let's just see. As I say, it's been Easter thin. We've got the Golden Week in Japan, but 133 to 134 the range at the moment. I don't really see that much changing, but let's all see. The third slide, Aussie CAD. This is an RV trade, proving to be a bit painful for our traders, but 95.20, that's pretty much broken. And I just feel, there's lots coming up. The Bank of Canada on Wednesday, that will be pivotal. I just feel, certainly at Adamas Principle, we feel that they haven't properly blinked yet, and they'll probably join the chorus of central banks being somewhat dovish, or in the FOMC's case, neutral. This next slide is dollar index. So this again has been ranging 97.70, the mother of all levels. If this breaks, it's going to trigger our longs, but we need to close above this level on the daily. 98, I think, is around the weekly 200 weekly moving average. That's pretty formidable as well. 95.10, very, very good support down there. But this does look like it's due for a break very, very soon. The final slide, dollar CNH. We always have a close eye on this, just because it's quite a good pair for dollar index, and also euro dollar. So it's just a very good level, 6.6745. That's key to stay above. The PBOC always wants this pair very stable, but we are looking fairly firm, and let's just see if this level holds. But all more upside is obviously helpful for broad dollar strength in G10. These are the charts from the Adamas Principle, and my name is Patrick Reed. Have a good week trading.